As a student, you have certain abilities and skills that can be useful to business. Additionally, starting your own business is now simpler than ever thanks to modern technologies. To help you get started, here are a few company ideas. 1. Online tutoring. As the popularity of online learning increases, more students are asking for extra assistance outside of the classroom. 2. Planning a virtual event. As the world gets increasingly digital, events follow suit. Consider creating a virtual event planning company if you have a knack for organization and planning. 3. E-commerce. As a student, consider beginning an e-commerce business, whether it's selling your own products or acting as a reseller for well-known companies, as online shopping is more popular than ever. You can convert your passion into a lucrative business with the appropriate concept, a well-thought-out plan, and some effort. Therefore, don't be frightened to start your own business right away. Happy learning!